Hello? All right, Jackson, so I'm having a problem with one of my extruders. It's saying temperature reading fault on heater 1, sensor open circuit. Can you maybe help shed some light on what I might be going through?
Okay, so I want you to check out the wiring and make sure everything's plugged in, particularly the thermistor.
Okay.
So go on over to the left. So look at the extruder. So then this orange wire right here should be the thermistor. Is it not plugged in? Okay, yeah. So plug it into the top receiving.
Okay. Let me try clearing the command. Okay, so the command is gone, but now it's purple.
Yep, so just give your machine a power cycle. When it comes back on, you should be good to go.
Okay, it is no longer purple. Let me go ahead and let me try it now. That works. All right, so it's heating up now. I think I'm all set, Jackson.
Good to hear.
Awesome. Hey, I appreciate the help.
Yep, no problem.
All right, thanks.
See ya.
Bye.